Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time, I'm talking about Harmony one coin. What's the price of Harmony? What's the price changes occur in the Harmony? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so please kindly subscribe now our channel for more update and news videos about cryptocurrencies, guys. So in this video, guys, we shortly talk about Harmony one coin, that what's going on in Harmony coin and what will be the next move is in the future. Possibilities that Harmony price will pump, or as in the future there is possibilities that in the future Harmony price will dump. So we discuss these all things. Keep watching this video complete, and if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos, guys. It is time. The currently live price of Harmony is about 0.2321 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of Harmony in the market. Other side, if you talk about the changes, so 10.61% positive changes occur, guys. 10.61% positive changes occur. That's mean that change is positive. So obviously you are in the profit, guys, if the changes is positive, guys. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about 24 hours trading volume, fully diluted market cap, so these things also going positive in the market, guys. You can see here going to the moon. Harmony is going to the moon, guys. So very congratulations to all Harmony holders, guys. And I believe, guys, that Harmony will continue this pump for a long time, because that's a long time project, guys. Anyways, what you think about that? What's your opinion? What's your prediction? Also share in the comment box, guys, and don't forget to subscribe channel.